Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn notes on acoustic guitar. First, let's identify your open strings, E, A, D, G, B, and high E. Each fret you press moves the note up by a half step. The musical alphabet cycles through A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Knowing these fundamentals is your first step to mastering the fretboard. Once you know your open strings, focus on finding all the natural notes on your low E string. Then, learn octave shapes. For example, a note on the low E string can be found 2 strings over and 2 frets up on the D string. This pattern helps you quickly locate the same note in different positions across the fretboard. Beyond the natural notes, you'll encounter sharps and flats, which are the notes between the natural ones. A sharp raises a note by a half step, and a flat lowers it. A great way to solidify your understanding is by learning the C major scale pattern. Practicing scales helps you internalize the relationships between notes and their positions. Consistent practice is key to memorizing the fretboard. Try dedicating 15 to 20 minutes each day specifically to note identification exercises. Use a metronome to develop your timing and accuracy. Finally, apply your new knowledge by playing simple melodies or chord progressions, reinforcing what you've learned in a musical context.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.